but principled work of student affairs and services. Our collaborative spirit continues to sustain us in this line of work. The productive partnership formed and maintained has sustained and continuously directed all our efforts of power in number. There is impact in partnership and mentoring. This conference has been a testament to the dedication and passion of every practitioner in this room. From the officers, members, and all those who make this event possible, kindly give a round of applause. The insightful and relevant sessions that led to meaningful discussions have demonstrated that our work is more than just a career. It is in fact a calling to tirelessly serve. We are co-creators and shapers of student success as we continue to advocate our students' well-being and ensuring their growth and sustained development. As we return to our respective institutions, let us carry with us the significant and meaningful insights and moments from this conference. May this inspire us to continue leading with purpose and discipline as we find innovative ways to face whatever issues, concerns, and challenges our path may have. Together, we can transform the landscape of student affairs and services, ensuring that every student has the opportunity to thrive. To the organizers, speakers, and participants, thank you for making this event a success. Our hard work, dedication have made this conference a memorable experience. Taas na ng kamay, yung mga memorable experience ito process. Taas mo kamay, ay memorable. Wow. Wow. Bagsak tayo sa evaluation. Taas mo kamay, may nasabi, ang PAPSAS 29 National Conference ay maraming salamat.
Send ko to sa kanya.